Hello and welcome to our video about sliding screen door. Sliding doors are a popular choice for residential and commercial spaces due to their space-saving design, increased natural light, energy efficiency, and improved accessibility. They come in a variety of styles and materials, making them suitable for almost any decor. Whether for home or business, sliding doors can provide a stylish and efficient upgrade to any room. What's a sliding door? A sliding door is a type of door that slides open and closed along a track, while traditional doors swing open on hinges. Sliding doors are ideal for small rooms or spaces with limited floor space, whereas traditional doors can take up more room. The different types of sliding patio doors include standard, French, pocket, stacking, bifold, and multi-slide. Each type offers unique features and benefits, so it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing the right one for your home. Sliding doors save space by eliminating the swing space required by traditional doors. This makes them an ideal choice for small rooms or spaces with limited floor space, as they allow for more efficient use of the available space and provide flexibility for furniture placement and layout. They also create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, making the room feel more open and spacious. Sliding doors are easier to use than traditional doors because they glide smoothly along a track with minimal effort and require no turning of a doorknob. This makes them accessible for people of all ages and abilities, including those with mobility issues. They also provide quick and easy access to a room, making them ideal for use in high-traffic areas. Sliding doors offer a range of benefits, such as saving space, creating seamless indoor/outdoor transitions, and providing effortless operation and enhanced accessibility. They also offer a modern and stylish look to a space while allowing for natural light. Consider a sliding door for your home or business to enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of the space. For more information about sliding screen doors, you can check our website www.tdscreenfl.com.